going to talk about when to create a trading plan and how to create a trading plan, and also on how to apply the trading plan, because we know we cannot be a successful profitable forex traders when we do not have a proper trading plan. Because there's a difference in having a trading plan, because it has to be proper, because some of you have trading plans, but then I may say that it's amateur trading plans, you know what I'm saying? So in order to see improvements in your performance, in your trades, you need a proper and elite trading plan. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys on how to create an elite trading plan. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first point is that when to create a trading plan. So you need to create a trading plan when now you have a proper working strategy. Yeah, man. So you need a proper trading strategy, not just any strategy, because if you can just create a trading plan out of nowhere from maybe a strategy you learned off of YouTube, that won't be a proper trading plan, because you are not sure about the strategy you are trading. You are just creating something because you heard on YouTube or from friends that a forex trader needs a trading plan. So you need a very valid forex trading strategy. I can give you some examples of forex strategies that I trust and that I know and have seen from other people working for them. So those strategies are ICT. You know what I'm saying? I've seen ICT students out there making it. So I'd say that's a proper trading strategy, because it is big on foundation as well, it is big on the technicals as well, and I've seen so many people getting consistency in there. And then the second one could be Falcon, which is the one that I'm doing. That's also a strategy you guys can try out and see it's okay, is it proper for you? But as for me, it has been spectacular, you know, like it's a very solid strategy. You have a proper foundation, proper technicals, and a proper way to apply your trading psychology, because you also have rewired, and it's usually best if you're trading Falcon and also you get to rewired. So the first step is that you have to have a working strategy, guys, not those strategies you may find out there like on YouTube, someone saying this, maybe use this breakout strategy, use this Fibonacci, use this support to resistance. I'm not saying those strategies don't work, but then they do have their own people which they also have been testing their strategy for a couple of years, and I know for a fact they do not use that alone. So with you cannot just take maybe a breakout strategy and then start to create a trading plan from that. No, in order to become consistent, you need a proper one, because here we are trying to build a consistent profitable trader from something that is solid, not from something that we have a question mark on. That is why I'm saying you need to get to those big strategies, those well-known strategies, because most of the time they're the ones that they work. Like for real, those are the strategies that most of the time they pass challenges, they get you to consistency. Like example, ICT or Falcon, those are the two biggies. And for me, it's just Falcon. But then I'm not advertising a strategy, I'm just talking about a trading plan. So the second point is under when you should create a trading plan is when, with that strategy you are using, you have to have at least 1 year of trading experience on that strategy. You know, you have to know the ins and outs of the strategy. You have to know the go-to setups of the strategy, the valid setups, and those higher risk setups of the strategy, because you have to build the trading plan on top of something. Because when you are building a trading plan, it's like you are building a set of rules to help you follow that certain strategy, right? So if you haven't set that proper experience with the strategy, what are you gonna write about that strategy? The go-to setups, the valid setups, the entry, the exit, the trade management, because those are all of the factors needed for you to be able to create a trading plan. And then the second point now, the second solid point is how to create a trading plan. So right now I'm gonna be going to my PC. I'm gonna be showing you on the steps you guys should follow in order to have a proper working trading plan, like the one I'm using, the one that has helped me to come this far in forex trading. So I want it to be practical, so guys you can learn and do yourself a favor too and make your own trading plan, because this video is to help you guys. It is not just a video for me to be here mumbling and getting views or something, whatever. But anyways, with that said, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave a comment, so I continue doing this content, because I've been away, so I need the motivation to be continuing doing this content. I need you guys to engage with me, because when you guys engage with me, that gives me motivation to continue doing this beautiful work for you guys. And you know, as for me, when I come to YouTube, I just drop the real game. I don't go around pushing around up and down. I just tell you the exact thing you need to know. So with that said, let's go to the PC now and create a trading plan. Okay guys, so what you do first is that you create a folder. So I've already created this folder, so if you're going with me, you can create a folder right now named trading plan, right? Okay, so this is the trading plan. So this is a format that I use for my trading plan. So you create the trading plan folder right here, and then inside you're gonna be having your subfolders, right? So let's say this one is gonna be basic rules, and then this one is gonna be your go-to setups, and then this one is gonna be your rename. It's gonna be your trading plan, trading journal, right? And then this one is going to be your number 4, your ASR, right? So basic rules. So here on the basic rules, maybe you might just let me check. Let's open Word. So basic rules, right? Maybe let's say risk entry, and then reduce risk entry, right? Entry, yeah. So on your basic rule, this is an example. Maybe you may come here and then you do this. Okay, also come to this one, maybe you do this basic rules. Maybe let's say you have a risk entry. Maybe on a risk entry, wait for 3 touches, 3 confirmed touches to enter. You enter using entry. You enter entry candlestick. Maybe let's say the 1 hour retrace. Yeah, but an 1 hour retrace. And then maybe you can also write that out. You want to take the entry on the 1 hour time frame. That's if you are taking the risk entry on the 1 hour, and then the reduced risk entry. Let's say you want 2 confirmed bottoms or tops, in order for the reduced risk entry to be valid, right? Maybe let's say you want to see a 1 hour impulse first on 1 hour impulse, maybe, so that you have a high quality reduced risk entry 1 hour impulse. So there's a lot you can write depending on the type of entries you guys focus on. You may write there, and also basic rules on how to manage the trade as well. You may come here and then you write trade management. Maybe let's say on your trades, maybe you look for a 1:5, right? You know, by force you have to be looking for 1:5 trades, right? Trade management, your break even, or maybe let's say I put break even. Let's say break even when position is running 1% or above in profit, right? 1 or above in profit. Trade management and so on. So this is going to be your basic rules depending on the strategy you trade. There's a lot about entry, exit, and those stuff. So it's going to be under maybe trade management, right? And then you also have the reduce risk entry and then the risk entry, and then yeah, because this is the way I trade. I do not trade sessions. So for the ones that trade sessions, maybe you can also add something, maybe rules you do before you enter a session, you know. Maybe you say you enter maybe 10 minutes after the London session. All those kind of things, you have to write them here on the basic rules. So yeah, and then that's that. And then you save. Let's save our basic rules. Let's say rules, right? Rules, and then we're done, right? And then now it's done. Then file new again. So let's go back to the folder. Now we have our rules there, and then the go-to setups, right? So on the go-to setups, you are going to put the screenshots of the setups that work in 8 out of 10 times. The one setups that you always look for, like when you want to get into the market, the go-to setups, because there are different setups when you are trading the market. There's valid setups and then there's high quality setups. So in this folder right here, you're going to be putting a screenshot of those go-to setups, those high quality setups, so that you know what you are looking for. And whenever you come to the Forex market, you check your go-to setups, and then you know when you're analyzing, it's okay, these are the only type of setups I'm looking for, right? And then that's done, and then you're gonna have your trading journal, right? So this was a copy of what I had in my system, but then this was just my active journals, right? So let's delete these. So at least you have to have a performance sheet. So us in our mentorship, we have this, we call it a performance sheet. So we use this to track our trades, you know what I'm saying? So there's home here, you check, you could see this is how it is. You write your balance there, and then there's also a calculator right here, the lot size, the position size calculator, where you calculate the required loss according to the amount you want to risk, right? And then also you have your information, deposit information and withdraw information as well, you put it there. And also here the first trade date and the last trade date, exit, total weeks traded, and then this is what we have here. The pay, have a drop down here, you have all of the pays, yeah, you put them there. And then the direction, either long or short, entry dates, exit and stuff. And then this is codes that we used, and then we calculate this calculates for us automatically. And then as you can see, entry type depending, is it a risk entry or reduced risk entry, the grade, high probability, is it valid or invalid, highlighted pay, was it on the watch list, was it on the wild cards or none, and then the scale, the entry, was it the first entry or was it a scale in, you know what I'm saying? So you just have this as. So if you want this kind of things, you feel free to get into my membership and you get this documents inside. It comes with the package. So yeah, anyways, okay, that's the journal. You're journaling our trades here and stuff, and then here's the recent value, right? The money you want to risk and stuff. And then when you come this side, you find it's okay, this is a performance analyzer. You can see this is January, February, March, Q1 total return. Here it writes the total percentage you got on Q1, total percent Q2 and Q3 and Q4. And then also here the currency pair, the win rates and stuff, a number of high probability trades you traded, valid trades, invalid trades, and then there's the total down there. Yeah, so this is what a trading journal should look like. Maybe you guys can have different stuff, because there's a lot of softwares you guys can use. So yeah, There's a lot, so you guys can go out there, but then this is the one that I use. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, non-safe. And then lastly, there's the ASR. So ASR is the advanced self-review. So the advanced self-review is where we are going to be reviewing your performance and your progress, and your performance and your progress in you following the plan, on following your rules, and your performance in general on how are things going here in the chart. So what I usually have on EASR, I usually put maybe a few questions that I ask myself. It's okay, let's say maybe it's a Friday now, I'm doing my weekly review. I'm like, okay, did I follow my trading plan 100% or less than that? If it was 100%, I'm doing good, so I should continue. And then if I'm doing bad, I should do improvements. I should form certain rules that will assist me in not doing what I did, in trying to avoid myself in not like follow the trading plan 100%, other than following it less than that. Yeah, but if I took valid trades, I check, answer from that general thing of mine, I know that was the trade high quality or low quality by me reviewing the trade after it has won or lost. Yeah, because you cannot review the trade before, because lapo your brain is going to be telling itself, no, this one is the one, this one is the one. Guys, when you're done, you've lost or you've won, you can see it's okay, this trade was okay or was bad. I check, okay, how many high quality trades did I have? How can I continue taking high quality trade, and how can I desist from taking low quality trades, right? So those type of questions, or even daily review on the day. It's okay, how did I perform on the day? Was I able to follow the trading plan? How many trades did I take? Did I have any emotional triggers? Was I triggered in some sort of way? If I know I was triggered, I write it down. Okay, something like this triggered me, so I now write the emotion down there. It's okay. I was hesitating a lot. Okay, why was I hesitating? I checked the setup. It's okay, guys. How is the setup? Okay, the setup maybe is bad, like it was like this. Now I have a screenshot of the setup. It's okay. Setups like this usually don't work, and they usually trigger me, so I should avoid taking setups like that in future. Yeah, boy. So I use those emotions to help me try to be a better trader next time and not do the same mistakes. Yeah, because emotions are very important when you're trading. Yeah, you must use them to your advantage, and other than trying to avoid them. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you know it's okay, you are feeling some sort of way, you're not being comfortable when maybe a certain setup shows up, you screenshot that setup and then you put it there, and then every day you wake up, you look at those setups that give you emotional triggers, and then you are there like, okay, this setups give me emotional triggers, and then when you're coming here to the market, you're like, okay, this is the one, I'm getting triggered again. And then you have to know your own triggers, guys. You know the trigger. Okay, you're right. Okay, that setup triggered me, and it's happening again, which means it is a low quality setup. And then what you do, you avoid it, you deflect that setup, you just cancel the whole pay, you go out, you get some A, and then you come back inside. So this is just a small example of how a trading plan should be looking like. So let's go to the last point now. Okay, so the last point, guys, is on how to follow the trading plan. So right now we're back from building the trading plan. Now we have to be following the trading plan. So here, what is going to make you win is following the trading plan properly, because there's also a wrong way of following the trading plan, because the trading plan has to be working side by side with the go-to setups. You know what I'm saying? With the go-to setups, with the performance. So let's start with the performance. So when following this plan of yours, you have to be high performing. You know what I'm saying? You have to wake up early in the morning and read your rules. Read your rules, go through your setups, because this trading plan, as you're creating it, it's gonna be new at first. So you need to get your mind used to the trading plan, and so that it can be first nature when you're executing in the market, because when you're in the market, there is no time to be reading a trading plan. So you need to be reading your trading plan either in the morning or in the evening. So you should create yourself a routine. Yabon. So I made a video of a daily routine that I have, so I'm gonna leave a link below or up there. Yes, sir. And then you can check it out on how to create a routine. So you can put your trading plan in the routine. You read it in the morning. So that is going to assist you in you being sharp during the day trading, because you read in the morning. It's okay. These are my rules. These are my go-to setup. So it's gonna be coming first nature. It's okay. Wow, that's the setup I'm in. Executed, because you remember your setups, and then in the evening again you review your trades that you took, and then you see side by side, okay, where the trades that I took, did they align with the trading plan? And the trading plan you have created won't be your final trading plan because it's new, so you're going to be tweaking it there and there. So that is why you need to be very serious about it and perform very high, and like be serious with your work. So fixing your trading plan is going to be very nice, and sometimes you're gonna get frustrated that, okay, I thought this was the final trading plan, yet it wasn't. And you shouldn't get frustrated because of that, because I used to get frustrated, but then I understood it's okay, because I keep on getting new things. It's okay, I'm getting new discoveries. That means that I'm getting more knowledge. There are things that I didn't know in my trading that I know now. Because of what? Because I was now following a plan. You know what I'm saying? And I was improving. So with me busy tweaking, it taught me a lot. It's okay. Actually, in my journey, I'm still behind. So me getting new discoveries is fine, and it's gonna assist me in what? In improving my trading experience. And then in future I know I'm gonna be better, because with the trading plan, as you keep on improving it, you will see it's okay. Look at the trading plan where I started the one before, and then look at the trading plan now. It has improved a lot, and you are also gonna see in your performance in improvement. It's okay, there's a change now. I was performing like this, now it's like this. Maybe when you started you were getting like or a break even or a losing trader, but now you are a break-even trader to a profitable trader. You know what I'm saying? So you need to be doing that, tweaking the plan. Do not delete the initial trading plan. What you're going to do is you're going to copy the same documents and then improve it, and then leave that one alone. So that when you are ahead in your journey, you can go back to the old trading plans and be like, okay, what happened here? Okay, you should take trades like this, and then that's gonna give you confidence that, okay, you see it's okay, I've improved a lot, because you can see the trades you were taking from back then and then the trades you are taking with this present trading plan. There's a huge difference, and that is gonna motivate you and keep you going in this forex thing, because you will see it's okay, you are going somewhere other than not doing anything, just trading for the sake of you are just there doing the setups that you remember in your head. No, you don't do that here. You have to record everything. You have to do your ASR, and you have to be following this thing every day. And then every weekend you come again, maybe on Friday, depending on a day when you'd like to do this ASR thing, that advanced review. You check your work. It's okay, how was I able to follow the trading plan? You know what I'm saying? Were you able to follow the trading plan 100% or less than that? Because it has to be 100%. If it's not 100%, you have things to fix, because here we're building a consistently profitable forex trader. You have to be disciplined in following the plan, right? You have to be disciplined in performing, because if you don't perform, automatically the trading plan won't be followed properly. Because why? Because performance is waking up in the morning and reading the plan, right? And then sometimes you don't do that, which means you have underperformed, and then the trade comes, you get FOMO, and then you rush the trade, and then you lose, and then in the evening you discover it's okay, damn, I didn't follow my rules, even if I had them on the plan. And then what do you do then? You create mechanisms to help you in not doing that mistakes of not reading the training plan in the morning. Now you have to set an alarm, maybe 5 alarms, so that you know what's a guy, I have to wake up and then read this plan of mine so that I can be a successful trader. Like every time you make a mistake, you create a mechanism for you to avoid doing that mistake tomorrow. And as you keep on doing that, the mistakes are gonna become lesser and lesser and lesser and lesser, and then you will come up with the proper trading plan with less mistakes, and your results will improve dramatically. And then after that, it is where I'd advise that someone can now start buying challenges or funding a real account, like with maybe large sums of live money. Because even when you're testing the plan, you have to test the plan using live funds, or challenge, maybe a 5 to 10k challenge, so that it doesn't takes a lot of money from your account, at least so that you can have that emotional involvement when you are testing the plan. Because the trading plan, guys, you have to forward test the trading plan. You don't back test the trading plan, because when you are back testing, there's no emotional involvement. But when you are forward testing, now you have the pressure. You know what I'm saying? You have the pressure that, okay, I have to perform. There's a trade, you have to be there. Did I miss a trade? And if you miss the trade, and then you build mechanisms of helping you to avoid missing the trade again. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but then when you are back testing, you are not gonna get that ability, because all of the trades that are gonna happen when you're back testing, you're going to get them. Guys, when you're live trading, it doesn't work like that. You know what I'm saying? Because you have a life to live, you have a family, or you have school, or whatever. Here, when you come here, guys, there's gonna be a lot of distractions in here when you're trading Forex. So sometimes you may find that you missed certain trades, maybe because maybe you were from work, or if you're from school, or you were somewhere with your friends, and then when you come to the house, you find that you missed the trade. Maybe the trade won, right? And then that is gonna hurt a lot. What is gonna happen is you have to create the mechanism to help you don't miss the trade again. Maybe let's say you yourself, you are schooling or you are working. Let me make an example of someone who is working. So if someone you are working, you know, okay, because I have a job, maybe I have to have data in my phone so that I can check my charts frequently if there are possible positions forming that particular day. So to me, I also had that mistake, because for me, I will usually go out with my friends, but I discovered that when I come back to the house, I found the trade they left me. So what I did is, now when I come out, I usually load data in my phone so that I can check the chart frequently. Or maybe you can go to your laptop and buy a MiFi, those small routers that you can go around with and load them, so that when you are seated with your friends, you can check the chart as well, because this is your business. This is not something to play around. You should invest in this thing so that you can stop missing trades. You know what I'm saying? So that is what I used to do. Okay, guys, with that said, can you please like, share, comment, subscribe, so that I can get motivated to continue dropping the bangers. But from now on, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna be back with the bangers every week. I'm gonna be dropping more valuable videos from you guys. So I want you guys to communicate with me, to communicate to the channel, and to engage with the channel, so that I can provide more content for you guys. And if you need more stuff like this, you can comment, and if you need different videos, comment again, and I can take those comments of yours and I read. So guys, I read your comments, so you must do that. And then I'm gonna be making the videos you guys request for me to do. And then I want us all to improve our trading. So guys, this is a community we're trying to create, a community of traders, like-minded people, a community whereby we're all trying to assist each other be consistently profitable Forex traders. So guys, can you please engage with me, and so I can assist you assisting return. And because I'm back now, I'm gonna leave a link to my free Telegram channel where I post free trading setups, because now I'm back full-time on Forex. I'm gonna be dropping the setups, I think, daily, or maybe after one day. It's gonna depend on what the market gives us anyways, because we don't force the market, we trade what the market gives us. But then I drop my setups there, notifications on new videos and new Q&As, and I also help some of you guys if you have any psychological or technical issues here and there. But then I do also have a mentorship. If you're interested in that, you can also text me on WhatsApp. This is my number here. I'm gonna reply ASAP, and then I'm gonna show you the catalog. It's okay, this is what I provide if you're interested in trading like me. But then as for me, guys, we kill the market respectfully, we manage risk nicely, we use proper systems, we don't rush the market, and there's a lot I can talk until the day ends. Guys, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Let's go.